this light? It's about the same size of me. Simple box, boring, but inside the folded piece. Wow! And in this boring box we got a carry bag with plus remote, and the remote is magnetic. C stand, power bank stand, strap, and Type-C cable. Imagine it like this portable fit into your own handbag, but unfolds into a 120cm softbox killer. I thought it was just a hype until this happened. Watch this. To use any pumping, I just press the button and it fills air by itself. And look how fat it is. Only 1100 grams lighter than my length kit, but promises a 136 watts of power. No way, let's check if it delivers. Oh my god, this 120cm monster will cover up my whole setup. 3 to 6 meter light throw, 10 meter range remote, app synced. I'm shocked. But wait, it can produce 2700 Kelvin firelight to 6500 Kelvin ice cool light. From 100 to 0 smooth dimming. CRI more than 96. My skin looks flawless. 10 modes, paparazzi flash, party wave. My videos just leveled up. Also app control groups. Who needs expensive panels? War room light is always disaster. Overhead 6000 Kelvin, only 40% power, and this light disappears all shadows completely. Look at this whack. Every angle flawless. No hot spots, just soft beauty light that makes my camera ready instantly. 120cm light covers my face and shoulders perfectly. This is what pros means, softbox killers. With Ulanzi AL120, my face glows. Link in the description below. Follow for more cool unboxing videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe.